Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no man. I'll build your dream. Cause you don't need no approval. With Rackley Swimming School before March 31st, you receive your back in the 9, you got the upper hand now. Don't